Chico's Garage, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can modify your car if you're into cars or you're a car guy and not void your factory warranty. Which I know the number one reason for people not modifying their car is that they're worried about voiding their factory warranty. And you might be thinking, well, how are you going to tell me anything about not voiding your factory warranty? Because if you look at my car, clearly I have voided my factory warranty, but if I would go back and do it all over again, I wouldn't have. So I'm going to show you guys what mods you can do to your car, and there are a lot to keep your factory warranty and still have fun with your car. So bumper to bumper warranty is going to be basically impossible to void. Unless you directly affected what broke in your car. For example, your window switch doesn't work. If your window switch doesn't work, they're probably going to replace it no matter what, as long as you're in your 5-year warranty period. As long as you didn't directly screw with it and you directly broke it, in that case they're obviously not going to help you. But if it just happens to break, and who cares if you have 500 wheel horsepower car, they're probably still going to replace your window switch. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys what mods you can do to your car, interior, exterior, wheels and tires, exhaust, all that kind of stuff that you can do and not void your factory drivetrain warranty. So the first thing you can do to your car without voiding the drivetrain warranty would be wheels and tires, because if you buy aftermarket set of wheels, you can choose any color you want, any offset you want, any diameter you want, any width you want, and you can just customize the wheel to whatever you want. And then when you buy aftermarket wheels, if you make them wider or anything really, you can buy aftermarket tires. And aftermarket tires, if they're wider, they're going to grip better. Or even it's the same size and you just buy a stickier tire, like a Michelin Pilot Super Sport, it's going to handle way better than it did from the factory. So basically the second set of mods you can do to your car is painting stuff. Everyone's got a can of black spray paint laying at home or whatever color you want. You can, as long as you take your time. I know people say, oh, spray paint's going to look like really, if you take your time, you use clear coat, you sand, you prep, your spray paint can look fine. For example, I've spray painted my mirrors black and no one has ever said anything that looks spray painted because I think they look good and they definitely change the exterior of the car. Another thing that anyone can really do that's really easy is paint your calipers. All you really need to go to Canadian Tire or your local hardware store and grab some caliper paint and some clear coat, and you can paint those black or red or whatever color you want. I went with black just because of kind of the theme I'm going with my car, and it can just makes the exterior of your car look a lot better. So thirdly, the set of mods you can do to the exterior of your car without voiding your drivetrain warranty. Basically, you can pretty well do anything to the exterior of your car without voiding your drivetrain warranty because the exterior of your car doesn't really affect your drivetrain warranty. So easy things to do to make your car look better is obviously a front lip or a new grille or a wing or side skirts, roof rack, any of that stuff. Basically anything you can throw onto the exterior of your car is not going to affect your drivetrain warranty, but it may affect your bumper to bumper warranty for, say, if some of your bumper clips go out and they can clearly tell that you've been taking on and off your bumper, they're probably not going to help you there. So moving on to the interior, obviously the easiest thing you can do to any manual transmission car is your shift knob, and I assume if you're watching this video you're driving a manual transmission car. And if you change your shift knob, you can make it weighted, and you can just the throws of your gear shifts are going to be so much nicer than they were with the factory shift knob, and it's just going to change your overall driving experience and make your interior look a lot better. So moving on to the exhaust system of your car. So really any manufacturer, if you throw on an axle back or a cat back, which can really change how your car sounds, no one really cares if you throw on an axle back or a cat back because that's not going to affect how the engine performs. But if you start getting into downpipes and headers and turbo backs, then they're going to start to void your factory warranty, because usually on most cars, if you do a downpipe or headers or something, you're going to get a tune with that, and then as soon as you start touching with the engine management, you're going to void your warranty. So moving on to engine, there's really nothing you can do to your engine to make your car go faster and not void your factory warranty. Like I already said, you can throw in an axle back or a cat back, but that's really not going to do a whole lot for horsepower. So you're going to add 5-10 wheel horsepower, which you're really not going to notice. I know some people say you can throw on an intake without voiding your factory warranty, but really, if your engine goes and you have an intake, they're just going to directly blame that your intake sucked in something into the engine and that's why your engine blew up. So if you don't want to void your warranty, don't do anything to your engine. You can probably get away with some little covers or caps or something, because they're probably not going to care if you do that. If your engine goes and you just have a little cap, or you painted something, they're not going to blame that on the engine blowing. But as soon as you do an intake or a downpipe or you do a tune, which is a cob access port or just a pro tune or anything like that, you're going to void your factory warranty. And if your engine goes, you're going to be paying for it yourself. And I think that's going to conclude this video. I hope this answered some of your questions about modifying your car. If you want to, or you were thinking about it, or you already have and you're worried about voiding your warranty if your engine goes or something, hope this answers some of your questions. Thanks again for watching Chico's Garage.